The Mavic 3's new battery, according to DJI, can fly for 46 minutes or 30 kilometers. Is this true, however, when operating the drone? Also, what is it about the Mavic 3's new design that makes DJI claim it is a 35% improvement over the Mavic 2? Are you curious to learn more? Join us today as we give you a review of the DJI Mavic 3. So, let's get this party started. Number 5. Image quality. The Mavic 3's camera system is its most striking feature. According to Ferdinand Wolf, creative director of DJI Europe, Mavic 3 enables users to effortlessly make epic shots without compromising on the small size, stunning performance, pervasive flight safety, and dazzling image quality. The first Mavic Pro used a 1 and 2.3-inch sensor. The Mavic 2 Pro used a 1-inch sensor, and the Mavic 3 now uses a 4/3-inch sensor with 20 megapixels of resolution. The primary camera's 4/3-inch sensor improves noise performance dramatically. Intricacies are preserved even at the greatest sensitivity of 6,400, despite considerable fading and distortion. The Mavic 3 offers a dynamic spectrum of 12.8 stops, according to DJI. This compares to the 12.6 stops on the Mavic Air 2S and the reported 14 stops on the Mavic 2 Pro. Its image camera technology is fantastic, but how is the video camera? So, stay tuned for further information on this. Number 4. Video quality. It's a real joy to shoot video with the Mavic 3's primary 4/3-inch camera. At 50 frames per second, it can capture up to 5K. The lens can shoot at 120 frames per second in slow motion form in 4K and 4K DCI, or 60 frames per second in normal mode. The picture has an amazing amount of fine detail and depth when taken. The main camera of the Mavic 3 is a 20MP 4/3 CMOS sensor with an equivalent focal length of 24 millimeters. The second camera includes a 1/2-inch CMOS sensor, an aperture of f4.4, and a 28x hybrid magnification. The picture quality of the primary camera is excellent for both still photographs and video, with just a little loss of clarity at the frame's edges when watching images. The Mavic 3's second camera is far less competent, only capable of taking JPEG images and standard 4K 30 FPS footage. This hybrid camera has very limited capabilities and auto shooting, yet it can easily observe faraway landscapes. The picture quality decreases substantially as you zoom in, so don't anticipate capturing high-quality photos at the highest magnification ranges. Please subscribe to our channel and switch on notifications so you don't miss any of our videos. Number 3. The design. The design of the Mavic 3 is similar to that of earlier Mavic drones. Whenever the drone isn't being used, the propeller arms retract within to render it smaller and more backpack-friendly before unfolding in seconds when you're ready to take it up in the air. When folded, it's identical to the Mavic 2 Pro, with a bit thicker extended width. The standard version of the Mavic 3 weighs 895 grams, while the SIN version weighs 899 grams. This time, the battery is inserted into the back of the Mavic 3 fuselage rather than the top, and it plays a crucial role in the Mavic 3's longer flying time. Keep a lookout for further information on the remote and the drone's batteries later. The form of the drone, camera, and propeller arms have all been simplified to minimize drag, which DJI asserts amounts to a 35% growth over the Mavic 2 series. Number 2. Controller. Far from the Mavic 2 series remote, this one has a fixed size with a telescopic phone holder at the top of the device for storing the phone cord, and the control sticks may be stored away beneath when not using it. The Mavic 3 remote lacks the LCD panel that displays flight details seen on the Mavic 2, which is unfortunate given the Mavic 3's greater price. However, this info can be obtained inside the DJI Fly app. Despite being larger than the previous Mavic 2 remote, this one boasts a 6-hour battery life. The biggest distinction between the Mavic 3 Standard and SIN versions is that the Standard has 8 GB of memory, while the SIN has a 1 TB solid-state drive. Number 1. Battery capacity. The new Mavic 3 battery, according to DJI, allows for a maximum flight time of 46 minutes or a distance of 30 kilometers. This is never the case in reality. Why do we make this statement? When DJI says the maximum flying time is 46 minutes, we don't mean they're lying. We consider the ambient temperature as well as other parameters. To explain, because wind, ambient temperature, and the minimum battery charge must all be considered, the promised flying time is rarely attainable. Let's face it, if you have a minimum battery charge, your drone cannot miraculously match the anticipated minutes. When the wind continues interfering, neither can it. Unless it's a magical drone, that is, instead of being inserted into the top of the Mavic 3 body, the battery is inserted into the back. A single battery takes around 60 minutes to charge using a regular household wall socket power supply. Additional M3 and M recent batteries will set you back $209. If you've flown the Mavic 3, what were your experiences? And what didn't impress you? Comment below with your thoughts. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video.